Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use L Carnitine liquid RC. Shake the bottle well and measure a 1 to 2 teaspoon serving with a dosing spoon or syringe. Take the liquid about 15 to 30 minutes before exercise or with a light meal for better absorption and comfort. Avoid exceeding the recommended daily dose and consult a healthcare provider if you have medical conditions or take medications. Most people start with a lower 1 teaspoon dose to test tolerance and gradually increase if needed. Take the liquid about 15 to 30 minutes before activity for expected benefits and avoid stacking doses too close together. If you plan multiple servings, space them at least 6 to 8 hours apart to reduce side effect risk. Always follow label guidance and pause use if you experience unusual symptoms. Consulting your provider. Handle L Carnitine liquid RC with common sense and caution to stay safe and comfortable. Refrigerate after opening if the label advises, and always store the bottle upright and away from children and pets. Watch for side effects like nausea or rapid heartbeat, and stop use if symptoms worsen or an allergic reaction appears. Reach out to a healthcare professional for personalized guidance, especially if you have heart conditions, diabetes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.